welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at our brand new 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Absolutely beautiful boat here, 25 foot in length. This boat is a tri-tune. We've got the midnight blue with the white diamond accent right here, which is really beautiful on this tri-tune, and as well as the black powder coated fence railing right here. Just to point out a couple of options here, we do have the stainless steel flip up cleats, and then the docking lights right here. And then we also have the quick release fender system. We can easily clip those fenders on and off the boat. As we make our way down to the stern, we do have the nice big bimini top up there. And then the extended swim platform and safety railing. We can kind of go over that in more detail when we hop onto the interior of the boat. And then we also have the ski tow bar here, 200 horsepower Mercury outboard. Plenty of power on this boat. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, welcome inside our Harris 250 Sunliner that we have here in Rogers. Starting up here in the bow, a lot of seating on this boat, has room for 14 passengers. And if you look under all these seats, tons of storage. Harris does a great job of maximizing the space underneath all the seats, and also a built-in ski locker right here with the third tri-tune. I've got cup holders on either side with USB ports to charge your phones when you're on the water. And the upholstery, you got the beach tan, really soft pillow top upholstery. And then what you get on the Sunliner is also the armrest right here too. Beautiful accent stitching right here on the upholstery, and then the tan flooring as well. Again, more storage underneath the helm. On this Sunliner, it is optioned here at the helm with a phone charger. And then we do have the lighted cup holders and RGB lighting underneath the seat bases here too. Tilt steering wheel here, Simrad display screen. You can easily look at your engine diagnostics, your chart plotting, your navigation. It's a really great feature here on the lakes of Minnesota. Big high back seat here, the Lux high back helm seat that does swivel and adjust for you. All right, as we make our way to the stern of this boat, I want to point out a couple of other features here. We've got a built-in trash can right here. Nice L-shaped seating. This is a rear-facing lounger, so you have a couple of positions here to kick back and relax and see what's going on behind the boat. And then you can also make this into a full sun pad. Easily adjust back into place. And then again, this boat does have the extended swim platform here. We have safety railing here that holds your fenders, and then this chain locks into place here. It makes it legal for passengers to ride underway when you're on the water. Great feature on this boat. And then we have the ski tow bar, storage underneath this seat, lots of storage space, and then a built-in insulated self-draining cooler. This boat also has a table you can mount it anywhere you'd like on this boat. So a lot of great features here. This boat is located in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, just walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.